This is our project 13 of making two lights flash with our Arduino board. So this is our flowchart for our code. Initially we'll set our tactile as Boolean, our tactile switch as initially false, our tactile state as initially false as Boolean, and our light state as initially false for our Boolean, so they all are starting off as off. And then same thing with the pins, except this time for digital output I'm using pin 5 for the red LED like last time, and now I'm using pin 4 for the yellow LED, so we can have both going. And then our digital input is still pin number 2 for our tactile switch, and then it goes into our loop. So to read pin 2 and assign that to the tactile variable, and if the tactile equals true, meaning when it's pressed, if it is true, pin 5 will be turned on or set to 1, which will power our red LED. It'll delay 500 milliseconds or half a second. Then it'll turn pin 5 off or set to 0, delay 500 seconds. Then I added in that will set pin 4 to 1, turning the yellow LED on, and delay 500 seconds, set that pin to 0 or turn it off, delay 500 seconds again. And then over here, if the tactile switch is not true or not being pressed, the pin 5 will be set to 0 or off, and pin 4 will be set to 0 or off also. And then this will keep repeating itself if it is turned on or off, and the loop will continue. And this is our code in Arduino for it. So we have our 5 and 4 outputs for our pins, and 2 is still an input with our tactile switch. Then we have the pin 5 being turned high, delay 5 seconds. Pin 5 turned low, delay 500 milliseconds. Pin 4 being high, powering the yellow LED, delaying half a second, and then turning off, delaying half a second, and that will repeat for as long as the tactile switch is being pressed. And if it is not being pressed, both 5 and 4 will be turned off. So you can see when we go over here that they both flash in half-second intervals.